The Princess and the Pea. A short moral story. Once upon a time, in a grand castle, a prince wished to marry a true princess. Many claimed to be one, but the queen wanted proof of their royal nature. One stormy night, a young woman knocked at the castle door, soaked from head to toe. She claimed to be a princess seeking shelter. The queen, curious, decided to test her. That night, the queen placed a tiny pea under 20 mattresses and 20 soft blankets where the princess would sleep. If she is truly royal, the queen thought, she will feel the discomfort. In the morning, the queen asked how she had slept. The princess replied, I hardly slept at all. Something hard in the bed bruised me terribly. The queen and prince were amazed. Only someone with true refinement and sensitivity, a real princess, could feel a tiny pea through so many layers. The prince joyfully married her, knowing he had found a genuine princess. The pea was placed in a royal museum, where it remained for all to see. Moral: true character is often revealed in the smallest details. Real worth and authenticity shine through, even in the most subtle ways. Thank you for watching.